Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to the series of Linux for DevOps. So in today's tutorial we are going to see a shell script using for loop. So let's go ahead and see the syntax for the same. So this is the syntax for the for loop. So in for loop we mentioned the variable name which is going to pick the value one by one as a part of loop from the assigned list of values over here. So this list of values you can define in the for loop itself, or you can define a list over here so it can traverse through the list and you can print the statements based on your requirement. So let's go ahead and see few examples that how it can be done. So let's go to our terminal. Over here I will create a script named for underscore loop dot sh function insert shebang slash bin slash bash. So let's take example of pets. So I will define a list of pets over here: dog, cat, fish, bird, etc. So now we are going to write a for loop. In for loop, first I will mention a variable name which is going to store the value that we are going to search from pets. $pets pets. Now let's go and start our loop. Do, and over here we'll mention our statement. So over here what I will do, I will just echo pet name is equal to dollar pet. That's it. Done. Escape colon wq. So now as this is a new file, we will provide it execute permission provided. Now let's go ahead and run this script. So guys, as you can see, it traversed one by one into the provided list of the pets and it printed the name of each and every pet line by line based on our use case. So if I do cat for loop, so what was done? So how it traversed? So we gave a list of dog, cat, fish and bird. So in the for loop, first we mentioned the variable name pet. Okay, so this is pet, not pets. This is different than this. So over here in pet, so pet is a variable which will go in this list, that is a pets list, and it will fetch the first value from this list. So the first value is dog. This dog goes ahead and gets saved in pet. Now when we come into the loop of for, over here it is going to print the pet name. So over here, as it has extracted the first pet name as dog, it was saved over here, it printed over here, right? So it will do the same one by one till the list ends. So first it will save dog in pet, then print over here, then cat in pet, then print over here, then fish, then bird in pet, and it will print over here. So this is how we use for loop. Let's take one more example. I will just modify the same for loop for you. So instead of pets, let's take example of fruit. So I will just type fruits. Okay, apple, mango, banana, banana and kiwi. Now what I will have to do is I will have to change the variable name which is going to traverse. So first I will keep it as fruit. Okay, and over here the list name mentioned should be fruits. Okay, and over here I will change the echo print statement as fruit name, and over here I will just mention fruit escape colon wk clear dot slash. See, it has mentioned the list of the fruits one by one based on our for loops. So that's it for the tutorial, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.